Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Find the Object stage that contains the thundercloud. Start immediately. Activate the 10-minute timer and turn on any available hints to reduce wasted searching. Next, make sure your view is zoomed in or use the magnifier tool so small items aren't missed. This saves time. Once done, scan the upper left quadrant first because the thundercloud often appears near contrasting colors, and keep your hand ready to tap as soon as you now focus on the middle phase, methodically sweep likely zones. Start with the sky area and high contrast edges where the thundercloud hides against bright or dark backdrops. This increases detection odds. Make use of pattern recognition. Clouds often sit adjacent to dark objects like chimneys or trees, so scan those seams. While searching, alternate short, fast scans with slow inspections. If you see a partial silhouette, tap immediately, because the game often requires a precise first tap to register the find. You finish by confirming the find and handling issues. When you think you see the thundercloud, tap its center and observe for a highlight or sound to confirm success. That immediate feedback is the key. If your tap doesn't register or you experience lag, restart the level to reset hit registration and try again. Finally, if the cloud still hides, increase screen brightness or toggle hints. This simple change often reveals faint outlines and completes the task.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.